Love journeys, there is someone special who's had your back throughout this whole journey of your life.
Alis na ako rito. Huwag mo ko titikit dyan.
Natatakot na ba kayo? I'm curious to know what life was like while you were going through this rigorous training program. So at this time, we would like to bring up on stage with us someone who is guiding you every step of the way, as well as the winner for Superbods 2014. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big welcome to Coach Mauro Luma.
Sabi ni Coach Mauro, teka sa tulog dalawa yan. Tinagtanong mo mga yan.
Little trivia, Mal and I are kababahas. Because his dad and my dad are best friends. I think Tito Jerry is here, right? Hi, Tito! And another trivia. Yes. Another trivia, when he won Century to the Superbods, I was the live voiceover for that event. So I was able to announce his win. So that was really nice, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, wow, you're welcome. Thanks for joining us today. How are you this afternoon?
Very, very good. Thank you for having me. Of course, I want to thank Century first and foremost for giving me this opportunity to train here. It's something that I really cherish, and this experience is very special for me. So thank you, Century.
Magaling, magaling.
Yung mga training namin, yung mga wala, pag nagkawalan kami, siyempre mas bata sa akin si Mauro yan. Ang nangyayari, bakit puro life lessons eh?
Yun nga eh.
Kung sinabi ka naman Mauro dapat eh, ganyan.
Yeah.
Kasi sabi niya sir, buhat na po, buhat na.
They're trying to distract you.
Nasa gym na kayo. Kami na-experience sa amin. Tuesday yan. 6 o'clock. Tuesday, dumating yung Tuesday. Sir Goma, narating po ba kayo? Pwede na-exit na lang ulit.
I understand guys, I mean, you guys are so busy with all that, and just thank you for also training and giving time for fitness as well. Yeah.
So what were they like as...
Oh, very, very fun. That's what I can say.
Thank you
It's
so
fun,
much
yeah.
for giving us exercises, for teaching us how to lose weight. So maybe tinapunan niya ako ng video.
Shout out to
Meron pa akong picture, gusto ko pakita meron sa kanan. Meron ako talagang picture na hindi ko talaga nakahulog talaga ako. Pero nakasuot sa mga. Nasa dagat ako. Ganda.
What was Mal like as a coach? What was an unforgettable moment for you?
He's got very, very, very nice guy. Alam mo si Mama sir, he's always very quiet. Hindi siya yung mapapit ka lang. You gotta do this and let me out like this and all that. Pero sa sir, Mama, ano ganyan ganyan? Yes, yes. Mama, ano kasi, parang yun, sir, dati na bukas. Mama, Mama, 15 kilos yan ha. 50 pounds. Buhat yun na sir. Okay na, buhat na. Okay naman, very, very, very nice guy. And inspiration din. Kasi pag kami yung katawan niya na rin, isa na, ba't ka? Gano'n sa gym, tabi naman siya po. Sabi ko, ayok, sabi ko.
Tsaka, di ba napansin mo, alam mo na tama yung ito very effective. Why? Because you know the following day, when you feel that muscle pain, make the move, it's really effective.
My difference na. So what were the things that stood out the most and other things that he taught you?
Also, a lot.
Like how to balance?
Kay Goma, kinuha niya, Goma, dumating ka.
Determination.
Workout ako tayo.
Dumating mo nga, nasa ka na.
the girls work out. But yeah, I mean, they did very, very well whenever we were working out. They did even 100%. So
Yeah. I was gonna ask what stood out the most for you when you first met them. What was a really memorable moment naman for you when you were training them?
Yeah, one thing for sure is I really admired someone like them because, of course, they have achieved so much in their careers, in their life, and something that they're doing. And to get into a challenge like this, it's something very mental as well. So they jump to something that they don't know, and then they just went for it. So I really admire them for that.
Okay.
It's very inspiring ako. Coach like kasi, siyempre yung nagtuturo sa yung ito, ganda na naman na ito. Diba? Bakit kasi tuturo sa lahat, mas malaki kasi, diba? What do you know? Kapag someone like Maro, hindi ko naman katawan yan. Diba? Bakit sige, Maro, kita mo sa'yo, paano ginagawa yan? Diba? Tapos yung mga oras ang gusto ka. I'll get there. Tatala, tinan mo. Oh, ha?
And he was a good student.
Grabe, oh. Hindi, iba talaga. Parang siya. Sa akin na parang kwento ko sa iyo. Siyempre, nakikita ako malaki na. Siyempre, makakailangan ng mga dati. Iba na ako.
Sir, buhat na po. Buhat na po, sir.
Parang dati nakita mo mga 30s ko, 30s. Ilan ka ba na? Kasi, in his 30s. Meron na yung iba pa. You're right. Galing. Maraming salamat ako. Thank you for your patience. Sa harap ako muli ngayon, gusto ko take personally. For your time and patience, really.
I appreciate that.
He's a man of few words. So, Coach Mao, for everyone watching naman, as the coach for our new brand ambassadors, what is your advice to everyone watching who wants to start their own journey or to be motivated or to just keep on going?
Yeah, like Sir Joe and Sir Aga, everyone's journey is not the same, right? You have to take on your own challenges, you have your own things that you do in life, so I guess it's just important that you start, find something that you love, and then from there you're gonna build your habits and all that. And of course, being motivated for yourself is okay, but in gaya ng sinabi niya kanina, you have to be fit also not for yourself, but for your family, for your friends, for your loved ones, and I think that's a big enough motivation.
I agree. Everyone, round of applause for Coach Mao.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for that inspiring talk. Good job. It makes everything look so easy when you train with him, right?
Sabi ko mga kasi, pagkailan daw ang katawan, hindi mo kailangan magsalita. Sabi, pagkailan ang katawan mo, hindi mo na kailangan magsalita.
Is that so? That's the goal now. That's the new goal.
Next year.
Kaya
Next year. Magtagal na kayo sa next year, hindi ko ako nasalita.
I agree.